Welcome to the Apex Derivatives Trading Challenge 2.0. Here's what you need to know to qualify and stay in the game. Over 11,000 ringgit in prizes and a pool of rewards, all for you to win. The game starts on the 1st of October and runs all the way until the 29th of November, 2025. Registration is now open. You can register anytime between the 15th of September and the 16th of November, 2025. And then the countdown begins. Winners will be announced in December. Stay tuned. It's prize time. Check out what's up for grabs in this trading challenge. And trust me, you'll want to fight for these. To participate, you'll need a valid derivatives trading account with Apex Securities Berhad. Not our client yet? No worries. We're ready to help you get started. Contact us to open your account today. Once you have a trading account, join solo or form a 2 to 3 member team. Registration fee: 100 ringgit for individual, deducted from your trading account, while team play is 250 ringgit, will be deducted from team leader's account. A confirmation email will be sent after registration. Next up, the trading rules. Trade any futures products on ASB's platform. Check with our dealing desk if you're unsure what's available. Use any capital, any style, any commission rate. Just play by the rules. Automated systems? Sure, but disclose them when you register. No manipulation, no insider trading, no shady moves. Break the rules and you're out. This is real money trading, so own your results. Next up, intraday margin facility. ASB offers up to 50% intraday margin for local products, with prior approval. All intraday trades must be closed the same day, and overnight positions require full margin. Break these rules twice and you'll be disqualified and lose intraday margin access permanently. To eligible for main prizes, you must hit your lot target, must include BMD products, stay consistent, maximize returns, and control drawdown. But remember, the daily leaderboard isn't the final verdict. Keep your game strong, stay disciplined, and secure your spot among the main prize winners. On top of the main prizes, get ready for rush hour missions. 3 missions every week. Each winner grabs a 30 ringgit Malaysia touch and go pin. By joining the trading challenge, you agree that winners may be asked to confirm their eligibility and sign a liability and publicity release. ASB may also use winners' names, photos, voices, or social media posts for promotional purposes. Need help during the trading challenge? Join our trader community in Discord to ask questions, share ideas, and stay updated. Access extra learning through MyBursa and watch for our upcoming webinar series. For support, call our dealing line, WhatsApp Apex Globex, or email futuresmd at apexsecurities.com.my. Ready to join the trading challenge? Sign up now at challenge.apexatrade.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for live webinars, market insights, and all the latest trading challenge updates.